Hey, and welcome back to Learning GA4. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the conversion path report and try and give you a little bit of information on how to edit the report and walk through it. First and foremost, how do we find our conversion path report here in GA4? It is located here in the Advertising tab, 4 down from the Home tab. After clicking that, you'll see under the attribution model on the left, conversion paths. Let's select that. Before we go into describing how to use this interface in these reports, let's talk about what a conversion path even is. So, as the name suggests, the conversion path report gives you an insight into the path that provokes conversion. It also shows you how attribution models distribute the credits along the path. This report consists of 2 sections. 1, a data visualization section, and 2, a data table. Here, the data visualization section allows you to check which channels have the biggest impact on initiating, supporting, and closing the conversion. The bar charts of chosen segments show you the value of selected dimensions, the channel, source, medium, or campaign. You can change these here. You can also change the type of cross-channel we have, whether it's data-driven, last click, first click, etc. As for the data table, it shows you the paths that lead the users to close conversion. It uses the following data: conversions, purchase revenue, days to conversion, and touch points to conversion. You can see them as the column headers here. Now, this is just the default view, but let's say we want to see, instead of by channel group, it broken down by campaign. By selecting campaign here, our visualization and table should change. For our table, we also have the ability to see even more rows per page. The default is at 10, but let's see what it looks like at 25. Now that's a lot more information. You can also navigate through different pages either by putting them in numerically or by clicking this arrow key right here. We also want to learn a little bit more about who is leading these conversions, and we want to narrow it down. So let's go ahead and try and narrow down our conversion events a bit more by clicking here. By default, all of our conversion events will be selected, but for this example, let's just click one, purchase, because we want to see who is using this data and purchasing items. Click apply. You'll see again that our visualization and data table have updated to now show that these are just purchases. We also probably want to add a filter. Click here to add a filter to this data. When it comes to filters, we can include up to 5 different conditions, but let's just add one to start with. First, let's add the dimension. I think a fun one to go with will be country. Let's see what values we have for country. Let's select the United States to see which purchase events have happened in the United States in our custom date range. Click apply. You can easily see how now, just by a few buttons, we can see what type of audience members, those from the United States, are coming across in what campaigns, and how they're acting through the visualization and through the table. You can also adjust the path length. For this one, we have all touch points already selected. But by clicking here, you can edit this. Equals to, not equals, greater than, less than, etc. Let's go ahead and change our path points, instead of all of them, just to 2. After clicking apply and letting it load, we'll now see that we only have 2 touch points, our early and our late, because we've edited our path length. After finishing this, we probably want to share said report with somebody. By clicking this right here, it'll provide you a link which you can share to anyone who has access to this web property. I hope this quick demo has been useful in showing you how conversion paths and the conversion path report in GA4 can easily show you how your visitors are getting through your website. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comments below, or wait until we push out a new video. Hopefully we'll answer them there. I hope you've learned a lot today, and I'll see you guys in GA4.